So what did you think about that one? Did you hear what animal it was? Could you hear the flutes and the violins playing all high? If you guessed that this was the birds, you'd be absolutely right. Nice job. The flute plays a high, fast melody as the birds flutter their wings and fly up and down, backward and forward. The music is light and bouncy. The violins hover around one note in the background, like the birds hovering in the air. Can you hear the chirps and trills played by the pianos? They are the sounds of the birds calling to each other across the treetops. The music grows higher and higher at the end of the piece. What do you think is happening? How did you do? Did you know that it was birds? I hope you join me next time to do more animal safari detective work. And let's see what other animals Camille Cézanne wrote about.